Hi friends, it's Petra here with another Bramble Fox video. And first I wanted to let you know that I filmed this video in several takes, so the lighting might be a bit off here and there. And I'm still suffering from a bit of a cold, so from time to time I have a hint of Xoxo Rose in my voice, so I'm sorry for that. So, having that said, I'm creating a wintry layout, my first Christmas layout, and the shop items are gorgeous. And I'm creating with a banner perspective, and it's really, really, really beautiful. So, and lots of other goodies. So, let's start and watch what I'm doing. I created a border on the bottom of my page with torn strips of paper, and I'm using a very, very old November hip kit from a couple of years ago, um, but still gorgeous papers, and I wanted to use them because I thought they matched that border perfectly. So I start off with creating that base, and I'm using the number 50 stencil, which is a stencil with a sweater print or a knitted sweater print. And as soon as I saw it, I knew I must have this. It's gorgeous, and well, I can see myself using it on all my wintry pages. So I'm creating this background and decide that I also wanted to curl up a page, a strip the other way around. And as always, I'm not taping the pieces down entirely, so I am able to tuck things underneath later on. So again, some stenciling because I never know exactly where everything will go. And I still want that sweater to peek underneath my photo. So I have this pom-pom trim that I want to incorporate in this layout and to have it stuck between those torn layers. And since that gap is a bit too wide on the right side, I decide to tuck some trim underneath it, and it's a tulle trim. Couldn't find the word tool, sorry. And it's very, very light pink, and I thought that matches the page perfectly. So time to back my photo, as I always do, as you know. And when I want to use a piece of paper as backing and it's a bit too small, I simply tear it up a bit and glue it down a bit crooked so that I can still use it even though it's a bit too small. So again, some stenciling because it wasn't peeking through enough. And I decide to stick that border down the other way around with the 25 on the left side instead of the right side because that gave a bit more space underneath my photo. And this time I'm simply gluing it down with a bit of double-sided tape. And then it's time for a bit of a title. But when I finished sticking everything down, I thought, well, this is not the way I wanted. I thought it was too in your face, too much in your face. That Santa is too bold, and for me it kind of felt a bit off. So later on I will remove it all again, but that's part of the process. So here I'm simply trying to figure out where to put some of those gorgeous puffy stickers. And again, this is a very old collection by HipKit. I think it's probably, well, 3, 4 years old. Really? Yes, really. But still so cute, and still, I think, very of today. As if it is from 1820 or something. It's still still a very gorgeous collection. So here I'm grabbing those cute ornaments, and I'm using the frosted ones and one red one, which is a mirrored one, and they are so pretty. So I thought I wanted to get them hanging underneath that pom-pom trim. So these ones also sticking down with just a bit of double-sided tape. And since they are frosted and mirrored, you don't see that tape behind it, so. So I am still wondering what I'm doing with the title, but I decide to leave it and think about it some more while I'm again adding some more of that tulle trim, just peeking out underneath that bottom strip of paper. And then I thought, well, let's get rid of it. It's too big, it's too loud, so time for something more subtle. And I'm always one that needs to have a title, but this time I decided that 25 in that border, that's my title. It's not really a title, but I thought it fitted, and why feel obliged to must having a title? Well, no, you don't have to have a title. Well, not if it's ugly and too loud. So I decided to finish it off with, again, some of that tulle trim, just alongside the edge of my paper, to give a bit more interest, to give a bit more structure. And that's it. I hope you liked it, and please check out the links below because the shop items are gorgeous for December. And hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.